Does it show that it's being recorded?
Yep. So I guess we'll go ahead and get started. If anybody else comes, we'll stop and have them introduce themselves. So the purpose of this public meeting is to go over our plans for Illinois Rebuild number 3. Just so everybody listens to this recording in the future, it is being recorded. So my name is Nick Sandifer. I'm the Assistant General Manager with the Greater Peoria Mass Transit District. Also on the call is Jamie Arbogast. She is our Director of Procurement, and Emily Watson. She is our Director of Marketing. Greater Peoria Mass Transit District. We are doing this recording at 2105 Northeast Jefferson. It is July 27th at 9:02 a.m. Like I said, I'm Nick Sandifer, Assistant General Manager. So Illinois Rebuild number 3. So back on June 1st of this year, Governor Pritzker announced another round of funding and applications, which will be accepted for the 3rd round of the Illinois Rebuild Grant. Applications are due in 2 days on July 29th. The funding will be in an amount a little over $132 million, which will be available statewide for capital projects, specifically in the transit and a couple other industries. We've actually applied for this grant 2 times prior to this. The first one was back in 2020. We got a variety of different projects that were awarded, various things such as our vehicle replacement, maintenance equipment that we needed, IT equipment, transit center improvements, some land acquisition for our new construction project, and some more funding for our ongoing construction project that is currently going on. And also, we did it again in 2021. We received funding for additional transit center upgrades, which we hope to begin that project next year, and just some more funding for the new facility construction renovation project. What is eligible under Rebuild grants? The rolling stock, some facility upgrades, like I mentioned, doing the construction updates and remodels outside, various types of equipment, maintenance equipment, IT equipment, systems, such as, your camera systems, paratransit cameras we applied for in Rebuild number 1, rolling stock items, vehicle replacements, sport vehicle, paratransit, things like that are all eligible under capital projects for Rebuild. What we're going to use this opportunity to apply for, we are going to ask for funding to replace our fleet. It will be a mix of battery, electric, and diesel buses. We are going to ask for a combination of 23 additional electric buses and 20 diesel buses. Also funding for the infrastructure that goes along with charging these types of buses. So charging, wiring, maybe additional amperage coming into the building. Why this is needed? Well, that's the majority of our fleet looks like. So we have 46 2011 and 2012 Gillig diesels, which will all be eligible within a year to be replaced. We also have 4 2016 and 2017 New Flyer hybrid buses, and we currently have 3 Proterra electric buses. Once we replace the 46 diesels, which are the ones that need to be done, we'll be back up to our current number of somewhere around 52, 53 buses that we need to maintain service in the Peoria area. That's what we're going to apply for. It's just one project this year. If you listen to this in the future and you have any questions, please go ahead and contact me. That's my information. I'll be glad to answer any questions you have. But that is it for our public meeting for Rebuild Illinois number 3 application. Thanks for coming.
Hello. Before we end this meeting, I just wanted to make a couple comments. Any comment that you have, any questions that you have regarding this, please direct them to you can direct them to Nick Standifer at ridecitylink.org. The address is listed in the PowerPoint, or you can make the comments directly to the comment page listed on our website at www.ridecitylink.org /about/projects.
Hi, Doug Rawls, General Manager for Greater Peoria Mass Transit District. I'm in favor of this project and it is much needed for the continuance of service for our district. Thank you.
Thank you. All comments and a link to this presentation will be posted on our webpage. Thank you.